Welcome to another day in coding. I am Blossom again, and I'm very happy to be your tutor. Today we'll be looking at label control and its properties. I'll be looking at font property, body style property, and auto size property. Then we'll be writing some code to display the output in a label control. On our Visual Studio environment, we're going to drag in a label from our toolbox. We'll search for label, click on it, and drag it to the environment. Then we're going to drag a button and also another label. Now we have two labels and a button. Now we're going to look at the font control. On the font property, when you click on the plus button in front of the font property, we have various properties on the font. The font name, the size, the bold, and so other things. So we are going to change the size of our font to 23. Then we are going to make it to be underlined true. And we are going to give it a text, name, display language. I'm going to drag that and centralize it. Then on our button, we're going to go to the properties. I'm going to change the button 1 text to display. Then I will increase the font from the font property. Let's say 15 or 16. You can increase the size by dragging the edges of your button. Then the last that's going to actually output our information is our label. So we're going to look at auto size property. Now when your auto size property is enabled true, you cannot resize the label. But if you make it false, you can increase the size of our label. From the size on the size property, you drop it down, you see the width and the size. We have 100 by 23. We can increase that to 971. That's actually long by 23. Or you click on the edges of your label to increase or reduce the size of your label. Then we are going to increase the font of our label. The font size, I'm going to increase it to 32. This is actually display our language or whatever language you want it to display. Then also, we can use text align to align our text to the middle. And you'll see that on the properties. We have text align. I will change that to middle center so that the information will be aligned in the middle. So we're going to write a code, but before that, I'll change the name property of this our label to lab output. lab output. So I'm going to call this from our display button. So once you click on the button, it's going to take you to the code section. And I'm going to call that label identity dot text is equals to double quotes English language. Then I'll terminate the statement with my semicolon. Save that, then run the code. So by the time I hit on my display button, it will show English language. Next, we are going to look at some assignments. In which group of toolbox can you find the label Control 2? If you like what you've watched, please hit the like button or subscribe to this channel, or as well share it to your friends. You can also leave your comments below on the comment section. Thank you.